Welcome back, Brain Quiz!
Which gas do plants breathe in to make food? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. The answer is carbon dioxide. What is the chemical formula for water? CO2, H2O, NaCl, O2. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Gold, mercury, silver, copper. It's mercury. What gives carrots their bright orange color? Iron, vitamin C, beta-carotene, chlorophyll. Vitamin C. Which element is known as king of chemicals? Oxygen, sulfuric acid, hydrogen, carbon. Sulfuric acid. Table salt is made mostly of which two elements? Sodium and chlorine, hydrogen and oxygen, carbon and oxygen, nitrogen and chlorine. Sodium and chlorine. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium. Nitrogen. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Gold, iron, diamond, quartz. It's diamond. Which vitamin is produced when your skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin B12. It's vitamin D. Which acid is found in your stomach to help digest food? Citric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid. Hydrochloric acid. What color does litmus paper turn when dipped in an acid? Blue, red, green, yellow. Red. Which element is a noble gas? Oxygen, carbon, helium, nitrogen. Helium. Which metal is most commonly used in making jewelry? Iron, lead, gold, aluminum. It's gold. Most of you know that, right? What is the center of an atom called? Electron, proton, nucleus, neutron. Nucleus. Which drink is often used in cleaning coins because it contains acid? Milk, cola, water, juice. Cola. What is dry ice actually made of? Ice, solid carbon dioxide, frozen oxygen, solid nitrogen. The answer is solid carbon dioxide. Which of these is not a state of matter? Solid, liquid, gas, energy. Energy. Which element has the symbol Fe? Chlorine, iron, lead, zinc. Iron. Which everyday item contains latex, a natural polymer? Paper, balloon, brick, stone. Balloon. Which gas is filled inside party balloons to make them float? Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, helium. The helium.
Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.